Tropical depression Verbena may have inconspicuously passed through the country, but she still left a trail of misery and ruin in the flooded areas of the Visayas. Our Rod Lagusad gets us up to speed on the details of the latest OCD status report.
Following the onslaught of Tropical Cyclone Verbena, 2 people were reported missing in the province of Negros Oriental. According to Office of Civil Defense spokesperson Junie Castillo, one of them is from Baay City and the other from the town of La Libertad.
Ang initial report po na aming nakuha ay parang naanod po yata sa creek itong dalawang kababayan natin. So ongoing naman po yung search, rescue and retrieval nito ng ating teams doon sa mga lugar na ito.
More than 78,000 people have been affected by the impact of Verbena. Of this number, 48,000 individuals are staying in more than 460 evacuation centers. Castillo said that flooding was reported in 46 areas, including Region 6, Region 7, Caraga, and Mimaropa. He added that in most of these flooded areas, water levels have already subsided. Data from OCD also shows that 10 landslides were recorded due to the weather disturbance. According to Castillo, some areas have become saturated from continuous rains.
Yung mga banta ng pagguho ng lupa ay hindi pa natin kumbaga inaalis yung possibility of that, especially dun sa mga areas yung mga matataas na lugar, yung mga bundok at saka yung mga inulan na mga lugar kaya dapat po pinag-iingat talaga natin yung ating mga kababayan.
He added that it is the local government's responsibility to issue advisories on whether it is safe for residents to return or not. Meanwhile, the OCD continues to coordinate with various government agencies. This includes the DSWD, which is the lead agency providing food packs, hygiene kits, and other supplies.
Ito naman po ay nire-replenish tuloy-tuloy kapag ka nababawasan, dinadagdagan, tapos strategically po nakalatag na po ito at naka-warehouse sa iba't ibang mga lugar sa buong bansa. Yung paggawa ng predictive analytics, pagka tinitingnan natin may paparating na bagyo, dito dadaan sa mga rehiyon na ito. So tinitingnan doon ilan itong mga kababayan natin na mangangailangan at gaano karaming mga pagkain ang kakailanganin.
Preemptive evacuations were conducted ahead of the tropical cyclone. Castillo explained that authorities considered the projected track of the tropical cyclone, wind intensity, and the expected rainfall based on the data from Pagasa. Additionally, the Mines and Geosciences Bureau of the DNR issues a list of barangays at risk of landslides and flooding. These details are then passed on to local governments to advise affected barangays. Also, road clearing operations are continuing in areas that remain impassable, led by the DPWH and local government units. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.